In this video, we will show you how to use the Groundwater tab of the North Carolina Water Supply Dashboard. The Groundwater tab shows the current groundwater status across the state. On the map panel, the wells layer is turned on by default, showing this groundwater well data as percentile categories ranging from extremely dry to extremely wet. These data come from the North Carolina Division of Water Resources and the U.S. Geological Survey. The information panel shows groundwater conditions for a selected well. You can choose a station by either clicking on the map or by using a Select a Well drop-down field. Once you select a well, a black border will appear around the station on the map panel. The information panel shows a few pieces of information: the station name, ID, last observation, and links to both the data source and how to obtain more data for that station. Similar to the streamflow gauges in the surface water tab, there is an option to select between water levels only and water level plus stats. By default, the water level only shows the level based on currently available data. Water level plus stats will include the observed level, minimum level, median level, and the level percentiles at 10th, 25th, 75th, and 90th percentile. The first chart shows the recent groundwater levels relative to that well's historic data. On the y-axis, the well level is shown as feet below surface, while the x-axis is dates. The y-axis of 0 indicates the land surface and is shown with a brown line. Using your mouse, you can hover over the chart to get the water level for a specific date. If you have water level plus stats selected, you can hover over the chart to see other statistical values for the groundwater well, including the median and various percentiles determined by historical record. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right of the chart, to save the chart as an image, to click to zoom, to pan, zoom in, zoom out, and reset the chart. The second chart shows the long-term trends of groundwater levels relative to that well's historical data. The land surface is indicated by the brown reference line at y equals 0. You can hover over the chart to get median water level for a specific year. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right of the chart, in the same way as you could on the previous chart. For additional assistance, use the help button. This video concludes the series on how to use the North Carolina Water Supply Dashboard. You can find all the videos in this series on the Internet of Water Coalition's website and YouTube channels. Links to both are provided on the screen and in the video description. Thank you for watching.